10th class PMR MC High School. My topic is about collection and segregation of garbage. What is meant by garbage? Non-waste liquid and solid material is known as garbage. What is meant by segregation? Segregation is nothing but separation. The garbage is mainly separated into three parts: wet garbage, dry garbage, hazardous garbage. Wet garbage. In our kitchen we mostly see our mother or we cut vegetables which are not useful, we throw in dustbin. That come under wet garbage. Dry garbage, for example, plastic covers, waste papers, waste cloths, we throw all in dustbin. That come under dry garbage. Hazardous garbage. Hazardous garbage is very dangerous. For example, used mask, injections, expired medicines, that all come under hazardous garbage. Here we can see biodegradable and non-biodegradable. Biodegradable, which decomposes in soil, is known as biodegradable with the help of microorganisms. For example, with the help of microorganism is called a vermicompost. Non-biodegradable waste, for example, plastic covers which do not decompose in soil, is known as non-biodegradable waste. What can we do for that? We can recycle for this. In what happens that garbage all collected from our homes. Garbage workers collect from our home and they throw all the garbage in the land, is called landfill. The garbage, and they cover all the landfill with soil. After some years the garbage all decomposes in soil and we can make it as playground, park. Example in Delhi also we can see Indraprastha. That is happens, the garbage all decomposes and soil and they make it as park, playground, etc. Here we can see a house with garbage, a house without garbage. In this house the surroundings are clean. In this house the surroundings are dirty. In this house we can see they keep the two bins, example wet garbage, dry garbage, and they keep their house clean. Here they have no bins. They throw all the dustbin in their front of the house surroundings. That's why they are feeling healthy. Why they are feeling healthy? Because here the clean house, no insects, no animals will come and spoil their health. For example, mosquitoes, house flies, cockroaches came and malaria, dengue, like that diseases will come. Here there are no dustbin, no everything is clean, so no animals are coming. But here everything is dirty and their house people are feeling unhealthy. Reuse, recover, reduce. First of all we need to reduce the use of plastic. Next, reuse. After using the plastic, after we need to use the plastic. Unless it is not useful, then we need to recycle the plastic. I can tell it that we need to stop using of plastic, stop using of non-biodegradable things, but everyone need to follow it. How can we follow it? By the help of WhatsApp, by the help of media, if everyone follow it, then it is very clean surrounding, clean houses. Thank you.